Hello, teacher Alejandra. My name is Paola Suarez. I am 27 years old. I live in the city of Tunja. I am a student of the last semester of environmental engineering at the UNED, and I work in a construction company. The environmental problem that I choose for this activity is the poor disposal of solid waste. This affects the community with the proliferation of vectors, rodents, insects, flies, air pollution, leachate, contamination of bodies of water, and contamination of the landscape. This because of the community. Commitment to the environment and civic culture is needed. An effective solution is to implement alternatives such as the circular economy, recycling, reusing, and reducing solid waste. There is also a need for greater control and regulation by environmental authorities. Thank you.